Burt Bird and His Friends by Susan DiStefano. Illustrations by Casey Craig. I am Burt Bird. I perch and chirp. I fly all about looking for things to eat. All birds must eat a lot. Sometimes I eat so much I think I'll just burst. This is my friend, Gert Turtle. Her shell is her home. Hello, Gert, come out. A turtle's shell is a very good home. It's very hard. Not much can hurt Gert. Let's turn by this plant. This is my friend Kirk. He's curled up in the dirt. Kurt lives in the dirt. He even eats dirt. Kurt digs in and stirs things up. Kirk, Gert, and I all see this garden in a different way.